Dear students, statistical inference is a procedure to draw the inference for the unknown value of the population parameter from the information contained in the sample. Now, if we talk about statistical inference, it is further categorized into two components. One is known as the estimation, whereas the other part is known as the testing of hypothesis. Dear students, estimation is further divided into two components. One is the point estimation, whereas other is known as the interval estimation. As far as the interval estimation is concerned, we are going to estimate the unknown value of the population parameter, and we are assuming that this population parameter value that is unknown to us, it is expected to lie within a specific interval with a certain degree of confidence. Now students, that degree of confidence might be 95%, it may be 90%, or it may be 99% depending upon the requirement. So in this module, we are going to develop the large sample confidence interval for the unknown value of the population median for the sign test. Dear students, for large sample, Hollander and Wolf in 1973, they have suggested a large sample approximation of confidence interval for the unknown value of the population median. The equation for that is appearing before you. K dash plus 1 is approximately equal to n by 2, where n is the sample size, minus z alpha by 2. It is the value of z that we can obtain from the standard normal table corresponding to the alpha by 2, where alpha is the level of significance, that is also known as the type 1 error, multiplied by n over 4 under root. So Hollander and Wolf, they have suggested that whenever there is a large sample, we can estimate the unknown value of the population median using this particular formula. So as you know, students, that in order to apply this formula, we will be requiring two information. One is the sample size and other is the z alpha by 2. It is a value that we would be observing from the normal table corresponding to alpha by 2. So students, this is the standard normal probabilities table. For example, if we are talking about a 95% confidence interval, that means 1 minus alpha is equal to 0.95. So from here we can obtain alpha. So alpha is 1 minus 0.95. That means alpha is equal to 0.05. So students, alpha by 2 in that case is 0.025. Now how we are going to observe the z alpha by 2 value using this alpha by 2? So we will have to search this value of alpha by 2 from within the body of the table of standard normal distribution. So students, isko main search karne ja rahi hu 0.025. As you can see that most of the probabilities are arranged in order. So this is the value 0.025. And if you just observe the row before it is minus 1.9 and the column before that is 6. So minus 1.96 will be the value against 0.025, that is the value of alpha by 2. So by calculating the value against alpha by 2, that will provide you with the value of z alpha by 2. So students, z alpha by 2 और n को यूज करते हुए आप large sample confidence interval calculate कर सकते हैं for the unknown value of the population median.